Welcome to our channel, friends. Superheroes in a new look for you. Hulk Monkey. Cool. No comments. Meet the brave Thor. He turned into a monkey. This is an epic image. The famous Superman has become a monkey. He's cute with that haircut and glasses. Spider-Man has now become a monkey. Brutal style suits him. It looks fashionable. This is the legendary Batman as a monkey. As always, he is the guardian of peace and goodness. Look at Iron Man. He's in the form of a monkey. He is formidable and brave, a real warrior. Wow! Captain America in monkey form. This brave fighter is ready to do anything to win. Do you recognize SuperMario? No? The image of a monkey suits him. He didn't expect such a transformation. Here comes the Joker in a new look. He became a happy monkey. His signature smile is always with him. Meet the Black Panther. Now this is a crazy monkey. We love this funny character. Cool! The legendary Wolverine has turned into a monkey. He is not at all friendly. Dangerous guy. Look! Loki is now a little monkey. He is the most stylish character today. This is a bomb. Wow! The Green Goblin has become a cheerful monkey. This guy is a little crazy. Ant-Man surprised us again. How? In the image of a small, cheerful monkey. It is fantastic. Daring Venom will be an evil monkey today. He's crazy. Better stay away from him. The noble Star-Lord became a monkey today. He is perfect in any look. A real superhero. Vision in a new look for you. Today he is a monkey. Cool. No comments. Optimus Prime has become a monkey. He looks cute in those glasses and clothes. Meet the brave Captain Marvel. She turned into a monkey. This is an epic image, is not it? Gamora has now become a monkey. This cute style suits her so well. She's a beauty. This is the legendary Clint Barton as a monkey. As always, he is the keeper of peace and goodness. Look at Aquaman. He's in the form of a monkey. He is formidable and brave, a real warrior. Do you recognize Nick Fury? No? The image of a monkey suits him. He is shocked by this transformation. Wow! Groot is a cute monkey. This brave fighter is ready to do anything to win. Here comes Deadpool in a new look. He became a happy monkey. His signature red suit is always with him. Meet the powerful Thanos. Now this is a funny monkey. We loved this funny character. Cool. The legendary hedgehog Sonic has turned into a monkey. He's not at all friendly. Dangerous guy. Subscribe to our channel. Further, it will be even more interesting. With us only forward.